Hello everyone, welcome back to Preyo Promo. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create your Pinterest account in the easiest and fastest way. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your device. Step 2. In the search bar, type Pinterest and click on Pinterest.com. Step 3. On the right side, press the Sign Up button. Step 4. Enter your email, password, and date of birth, then press Continue. Step 5. Now select options to identify your interests or mood. Tap on the topics you like, choose more if needed, and continue until the setup is complete. And that's it! Your Pinterest account is now ready! Thanks for watching this tutorial on Preyo Promo. If you found it helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more clean and professional tech guides. See you in the next video!